Hello everyone, myself Deepshika B from the Department of Computer Science and Engineering, SVCE Bangalore. In today's video, we'll be discussing about the topic Cloud-based online blood bank systems. Abstract. The blood bank management system is a web-based application that is related to administrative and inventory management in a blood bank, which maintains, organizes, retrieves, and analyzes the data. So when a specific blood group is required urgently, you can utilize the app to contact only those who have that particular blood group. Cloud-based systems can be useful in emergency blood supply since they allow for central access and fast access to donor data and location from nearly any place and device. Because practically everyone has a cell phone, hence it allows for real-time location tracking and communication. Hence, the online blood bank could be termed as a lifesaver. The Blood Bank Management System, also known as BBMS, is a web application that can be of great help for the blood bank inventory management. In most cases, an urgent requirement of blood can occur at any time, mostly during accidents. So at this time, what does one do? How do you find out if the blood group that you're looking for is available and at which blood bank? And if the blood bank is nearest located to you? All of this would consume a significant amount of your time, which becomes a disaster during emergency situations. Hence, to avoid all of this, secured integration of online blood bank systems plays a vital role. It helps with the information such as which is your nearest blood bank, which blood group is available, and if it is available as per the required amount. So it becomes easier for the one who's looking for it. The three possible system users that are involved in this application include the hospital, the administrator, and the blood recipient. Here are some of the functional requirements of the system. Administrator should have access to all details of blood donors. Blood banks, hospitals, etc. could browse for blood donors in their nearby area, and also the search results should provide only those donors who have not donated blood in the last 3 months. Blood donors should be asked to give feedback of the health report for future consideration after the blood donation is being made. No user could access any details of donors without being a member of the website. Only hospitals, blood banks, etc. should be able to see the contact details of the donors. As there is a growing need for blood banks and hospitals are depending on the blood donated by the donors. So to promote donors to donate blood, blood banks and hospitals organize blood donation camps, or one can call donors by calling them by the phone number provided by the donor. The existing system is the manual system in which the donors first visit the hospital and checks for the following factors: filling up the form and then donating the blood. In the proposed system, the user has to first download the application. He or she will be provided with two options, that is login and sign in. If the person has already registered, they can just log in. If not, they can create an account by providing basic details like name, address, contact, date of birth, blood group, email ID, etc. Once the user registers, they can check various blood banks that are located. The user will get various options on the screen, like blood camps, search for donors, search for blood banks, request for blood, nearby hospitals, view notifications, and emergency contact details. The user can select any of the options from the menus being provided, and according to the selected option, he or she will get the information. The user can also get the exact path from the location to the blood bank or hospital by using GPS. The details of the blood banks, hospitals, etc. will be saved in a database, and only the admin will have access to the database. The recipient or the receiver performs the following activities: register or login, checks for the availability of required blood group, request for the required blood group. The hospitals do the following activities: register or log in, manage the blood requests, add or delete available blood. The admin, on the other hand, performs the following activities: log in, manage donor or hospitals, manage blood banks, manage requests for users, maintain the entire database. The scope of the project is that in a very short span it provides user with many facilities. It provides an elegant management of blood, list of hospitals, blood banks and donors online. The main purpose of this project is to interconnect all the blood banks, hospitals, donors into a single network, validation, store various data and information of blood and health of each individual. This system is used to store data over a centralized server which connects the database where the individual information cannot be accessed by a third party. It provides effective blood donation management, blood safety, blood and blood component production, blood and blood component storage and distribution, online platform for health checkup, and eradicate corruption in the blood distribution. So the applications of the system are: people can get the registrations done by sitting at home. Donors can view the blood donation camps being organized at different places. Donors can also check their blood group medical history, whether it is healthy or unhealthy. Seeker can get the information of the particular blood group accessible in the blood bank. Seeker can also get the blood units according to his requirement from the blood bank. We can conclude by saying that due to the growing technology in today's world, it makes it easy for a task to be done within no time, and hence the online portal created makes it feasible for people to request blood as and when required. Hospitals can provide information regarding which blood group is present in their inventory and can hence update the same on the portal over the cloud. Thank you and have a great day.